Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode is another special episode because the product that we'll be doing an unboxing and review and testing is requested by Joseph Noel Refugio. R-U-F-U-G-I-O, Refugio. Joseph Noel. Okay, so Joseph Noel, you requested it and I managed to purchase it, but I didn't follow exactly what you said, because what you said in your request, you want me to get the TG113, but I opted for the TG113A. I have my reasons, but since it's a close relative of the 113, why not? So without further ado, let's do some unboxing. Woohoo! Woohoo! So this is the box of the T&G TG 113A. Okay, so the TG113A has several colors available. They have the black, the red, the blue, ocean blue, the light gray, the dark gray, and they also have several others that has patterns on the cloth cover. Let's check the box first. So in the box, you'll have two pictures, one of a blue one and one of the red one. And on the side, on the other side, it provides already an instruction for you on how to use, user manual. And the other side is the specification. Okay, so let's check the specification. According to this, they're boasting of up to 10-meter range. You could still hear it from afar. Working time is around 2 hours, I guess, if it's fully charged. It has a 5-watt speaker. The battery is 500 milliamps. So let's open this baby. So it slides. Nice. Okay, white box. And you have your user manual. It comes in Chinese and English. Okay, let's put there in case I want to read it. And you have the they have aux cable and they have the charging cable. Let's park that here. Okay, so what we have is the red one. Okay, so let's put that and let's park it there. So we have the red one, the TG113A, splashproof. That's what they advertise. It is a splashproof, or it has some sort of an IP rating. If it gets wet a little, it won't damage the speakers. So it has some level of IP protection to it. Okay, so let's check out the aesthetics. So aesthetics, it's wrapped around with a cloth, a mesh cloth. For this one, of course, it's a red one. And the top, there's a rubber. It's matte coated and it has a powdery feel to it. And it has a rubber handle also, similar. The material is similar to the rubber on top of the speaker. And at the bottom, there's a black cover. I presume if you want to do some, if you want to open this is where you start opening the speaker. There's screws underneath. I could say that the canvas is well sewn and well placed. Quality is good. The logo is also intact and it's not easily removed. And let's check whatever is inside of this one. So okay, so you could flip it. You could flip that to check on the IOs. Okay, so you have your usual IOs on this side. On the right side is the for the power cable, and the middle is the SD card and also the USB port, and on the left side is an aux port, the round one, of course, the round one. Okay. So how do you return this? Okay, so on the top you have your usual suspects. Okay, so on the top is the plus and minus sign. So again, for skipping files, selecting files, and also volume up and volume down. And on the middle is the pause and play. That's a good thing. And on the left and right side, on the bottom side, is the mode and the power on and power off. So let's try to turn on the speaker.
Bluetooth mode.
So if you hear that, it doesn't have any voice prompt, but it does have a sound effect telling that the two devices has been paired. Okay, so let's try to play some music. Okay, if you notice that it also has a sound limiter, so that's a good sign. It means that the speaker is protecting itself for any abuse of end users or the owners of the speaker. So in the long run, it won't damage your speaker. So that's a good sign, okay? So let's play. we've done some testing. So my conclusion for this, well, first things first, let's talk about the price. The price is less than 300, less than 350 pesos. I believe that includes already the delivery here in Metro Manila. So the price is a thumbs up. It's very affordable. And two, the look and feel. So the look and feel, it feels quality, it looks quality. Okay, so I got no qualms about that, no problem. So the sound, of course, that's why it's called a speaker. So we're gonna rate the sound. So it's a 5 stars, it's a double thumbs up. The bass is superb, it's a thumbs up. The bass is superb and I like it. The only problem that I have with this is the battery life. So it only has a 500 milliamp, but it levels out that negative comment with the bass. The bass is superb. Okay, so what's good about it is that you could also plug this to your television, to your auxiliary, so you could hear better sound quality of your TV, of your PS3 or PS4 gaming, and other devices with aux out or aux in. Okay, so that's why it's a 5 star. You could also enjoy watching your movies and plugging this in. Okay, it's like having a sound bar, but better, I guess. So that ends our show for today. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for Joseph Noel Rofigio for suggesting this. Oh wait, the reason why I chose 113A versus 113 as per suggestion of Joseph Noel, it is because of the bass. The bass quality is superb compared to 113 only. The only advantage of the 113 versus the 113A is the battery life, because I think that the 113 has 1000 milliamps or 800 milliamps, while the 113A only has 500 milliamps. I don't know why they have to do that, but the bass is superb. The bass is superb. The bass is superb. Okay. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much, Joseph Noel, for this. And again, see you on the next video. See you next week. Goodbye.